Okay, well, this time we're going to still be looking at box and whisker plots, but we're going to compare data. In other words, we're going to create two box and whisker plots in one graph screen. So let's see. We're going to go to y equals. I don't have anything there. That's good. I go in here to second. Y equals our stat plot. I see that my stat plot is turned on for plot 1. So that's good. I'm okay with that. Now, the type of plot that I need, there was our histogram. And this is, the one that's blinking right now, is a comparison box and whisker. If I go one more, there's what we used the last time with just the box and whisker. We're going to choose this. And for our plot 1, our X list is L1. So we're okay with that. Now, let's go over here to plot 2, and here I'm pretty sure I can arrow up and go over here to plot 2. Let's hit enter. Okay, now plot 2 is on. I've already turned it on, and you can also see that right here I've got it on the comparison, but I got to make an adjustment in my list because it's going to pull from the same list as plot 1, and I've got to change that. So I'm going to go in here, and when I get to this right here, to get it to the L2 list, I hit second 2. If you look right there above that 2, you see L2, and we can see that that has changed that to the L2 list. Now, I'm going to go in here to stat, and I'm going to hit edit, enter on edit. Now, once again, I've already entered this data. And this is coming from example 4 on page 737. This is the actual showing there in your textbook. And this is, we've got data here for the points scored per game by a professional football team for the 2008 and 2009 season. So L1 is 2008 and L2 is 2009. Data is entered. We got our stat plot set up for comparison box and whisker. Let's hit zoom 0. I'm going to do zoom fit again, zoom 0. And there's our box and whisker plots. I got 2 of them. Now this one here represents the 2009 season, and the L1 up here, this one on the top is the 2008 season. Now again, let's see, the 2008 season, we can see that it is skewed to the right, excuse me, the left, no, 2008. Yeah, longer to the left. Oh, I got those backwards, I think. So I think the, okay. Yeah, the one that's more prominent right here, excuse me, I got you wrong on that. That's the 2008 season. This one up here at the top is the 2009 season. And we see that the left whisker is longer to the right. So that is skewed negatively. And here 2009 is skewed positively. And I'm not going to get into necessarily interpreting that, except you can see right here that on 2009, in the 2009 season, they actually scored more points. Their quartile 1 shows more points scored at the Q1 level than we see at the Q3 level for 2009. So anyway, there we go. We're looking at an example of how we can create a comparison box and whisker plot using a TI-84 calculator. Now, if you happen to have another calculator like a TI-89 or like a new one that I've got, which is a TI Inspire, things may be a little different than what I'm showing you here. My suggestion is, for those of you that may have a little bit different brand of calculator, YouTube. Go on YouTube, You can punch that in, create comparison box and whisker plots, and you'll find plenty of instructional videos there.